progress and select suitable EOQ and ROP models to improve supply chain efficiency. And third, interpret the results of EOQ and ROP calculations to make informed decisions about the recording schedules and stock levels. So what is the reorder point? The reorder point, or the ROP, is the inventory level at which a new order must be placed to replenish stock before it reaches zero, ensuring the continuous operations and preventing stock outs. So these are the formula. ROP equals usage times lead time plus safety stock. So if the company's exempted daily usage is 200 kilograms of white flour, the anticipated delivery is 10 to 15 days. When will the company place the order? ROP equals usage times lead time or plus safety stock. So 200 kilograms of white flour times 10 to 15 days plus 200 kilograms of white flour times 5. Then 200 times 10 days plus 200 times 5. So 2,000 plus 1,000 is equals to 300 kilograms. So 300 kilograms is our ROP. Place the order is May 17. Lead time 10 to 15 days. Order will arrive at May 27. So May 27, 10 days minimum order lead time. Safety stock dates May 27 to June 1, 5 days. Let's proceed to the EOQ, or the economic order quantity. Under EOQ, we can also compute number of orders per year, total ordering cost per year, average inventory, total carrying cost per year, total cost. So what is the economic order quantity? The economic order quantity is used to determine the most cost-effective quantity of inventory to order one that minimizes the total cost of ordering and holding stock. Here is the formula. EOQ equals square root of 2 times cost of orders times number of units equals annual carrying cost. Here's the formula. Square root of 2 times cost of order times number of units over annual carrying cost. Take the example. Numbers of jars of ordinary word company 10,000. Cost of placing an order 10 pesos. Annual carrying cost per year jar of inventory 0.80 cents. Economic order quantity. Square root of 2 times order cost times number of units over annual carrying cost. So square root of 2 times 10 pesos times 10,000 over 80 cents equals 500 jars. So we have number of order per year. So N over EOQ. So 10,000 jars over 500 jars. So equals to 20 orders. So we have total ordering cost per year, NO times OC. So 20 orders times 10 pesos equals to 200 pesos. We have average inventory, EOQ over 2. 500 jars over 2 equals 250 jars. So we have total carrying cost per day, AI plus EC. 250 jars times 80 cents. The answer is 200 pesos. So we have the total cost, EOC plus ECC. 200 pesos plus 200 pesos is equal to 400 pesos.